Hi everybody, it's NWI Prepper 19113, and I thought I would just let everybody know about this major storm we're supposed to have here Thursday and Friday in the Midwest. They are calling for a powerful storm. Will take aim on the Midwest during the second half of the week and threatens to bring travel disruptions, damage, and power outages. Cities in the path of one or more aspects of the storm include Kansas City, Omaha, St. Louis, Des Moines, Chicago, Milwaukee, Indianapolis, Louisville, Detroit, Cincinnati, and Cleveland. The most widespread aspect of the storm will be high winds speeding eastward spanning Thursday and Friday. Gusts in the neighborhood of 50 to 60 miles an hour are possible from the eastern plains to the Appalachians. There is a potential for gusts to near hurricane force in the vicinity of the Great Lakes later Thursday into Friday. I will post a link to this page at the bottom of the under the video in the description box. It says winds of this strength can bring down trees, power outages, truck rollovers, and major flight delays. The high winds will accompany a dramatic change to cold weather. While this change will be brief over part of the Central Plains and Tennessee Valley, it can bring a rapid freeze-up to part of the upper Midwest and a major lake-effect snow event. Now here's that map showing that nasty little storm. Even a small amount of snow preceded by rain can quickly freeze, making for a commuting nightmare. Thursday afternoon and evening around Chicago and Milwaukee, Thursday night around Detroit. The storm will bring blizzard conditions from portions of Kansas to the upper peninsula of Michigan. Senior meteorologists have more on the snow at the link that's on the page here. Bands of heavy lake effect snow and snow squalls accompanied by the high winds will also lead to whiteout conditions downwind of the Great Lakes as the storm pulls away Friday into Saturday. The storm will also have dramatic weather effects in the south and the northeast. A severe weather outbreak is possible in the south and in keeping with tradition over recent years in December. Let's see here. The storm will pull warm air northward ahead of a strong cold front and a powerful wind in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Violent storms with damaging winds are possible in the south. Thunderstorms can accompany the frontal passage in the Midwest and the Northeast as well. Strong south to southeasterly winds ahead of the front can bring coastal flooding problems in New England. The storm has the potential to bring flooding downpours and travel delays along the East Coast later Thursday into Friday. Powerful winds in the wake of the front Friday and into Saturday can also lead to flight delays and minor power outages along the East Coast. Heavy snow is also a possibility from northern upstate New York to northern Maine. One positive aspect of the storm and others in the recent past and possibly on deck is the moisture aspect for part of the week, part of the needy upper Mississippi Valley. For example, may bring enough moisture falling over the Illinois River Basin that could help to stabilize the Mississippi River at St. Louis in the short term. Anyway, everybody take heed of the storm. Please get your provisions in the house for the next few days. That's going to be, the 20th and 21st. So we may be digging out of blizzard conditions for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Don't forget your food and water, first aid, fuel, and toilet paper. So pass this along, if you would, please, too, to your friends and relatives, and make sure they're covered. Alrighty, I thank you very much, and Merry Christmas to everybody, and take care. Bye.